Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. Today we're going to restore this vintage Lima 040. I'll turn the power on, you guys will see the problems that it has. It does run, but very sluggish and the light likes to flicker. Seems like it's not getting very good power, the wheels are pretty dirty, needs a cleanup. So yeah, basic maintenance and let's get it done. Okay, it is finish, and I believe this will work. Well, actually, the body's not on right. Let me sort that out real quick. Okay, that's fixed now. It was just, like, off the back here. There was a little tab it's supposed to go into. Alright, anyways, let's see if it works. Wow, that is a lot better. Look at it go! And the light works, too. I guess it must have came back to life. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'll get you guys a few shots of this thing running, and yeah. Hey, so I just wanted to let everybody know that this is actually not my locomotive, so you won't see it again. And it's actually a customer's who wanted me to make some videos on their stuff, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. The channel's doing really good, and I'm really happy now. There will be a layout video coming soon. I don't make too many of those, because as you'll see, disaster, but for a good cause. We've actually torn out most of the tunnel. I left this bit, but I'll explain later. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the restoration, and I'll see you next time.